The selector will give you more options. Who are you talking about? The selector, he will give you options. What options? See you later. The portals are around here. So, look, I guess. I wish you the best. What's he talking about? Whoa! So are you that dude that the other dude was talking about? Are you gonna say anything else? Can you help us find a way back to planet Earth? Okay, thank you so much. I am the cycle. I am the cycle. Cycle. Could you help us get to planet Earth? Yes, I can, but I must see if you are suit for the wisdom. Okay, anything, or you go to cosmic hell. What's in cosmic hell? Things that people don't like to talk about. I am stuck in a continuous cycle. Okay. So, what is the state bird of California? Oh, I don't know! Okay, let's do a huddle. What is the state bird of California? It probably has California in its name, right? Yeah. California gull. No, that's not it. California condor? That's a good guess, but I don't think that... Oh, I know! Armadillo! No. Any ideas? California quail! Yes, that's it. California quail! Correct. Yes! Can we go now? No. More questions persist. What is the cycle of life? Animal eats animal. And animal eats animal, animal eats animal? I think there's plants involved. Dead animals lead to plants, which lead to more food. Yeah, and dead animals turn to soil. Okay, so it is a complete cycle. You heard what we were saying, right? Yeah. Is that right? Close enough. One more question. Who is your creator of personality? Who's my creator of personality? You mean who made the idea of me? Yes, it can be very hard for some, but there's always an answer. The person that made me. What was that? Huh? What happened? What? Help! What? What? Whoa, I'm back up! Huh? What the? Who? Who are you? Well, that's kind of a difficult question. Who do you think I am? Huh? What the? Run! Pardon? What just happened?